Today we're unboxing the ALLIVE genuine leather passport holder in coffee brown. First impressions are vital, and this packaging feels premium, perfect as a high-end gift. Not only does it come in this nice black presentation box, it is genuine leather made from full-grain cowhide and natural vegetable tanning, and provides a dedicated front AirTag pocket, enabling you to track this holder at all times. It's designed for those who value both style and functionality during international travel. Right out of the gate, let's make sure it is clear, there is no AirTag included with this holder, that must be purchased separately. Inside, the wallet is carefully wrapped with tissue paper, protecting the finish. We tried to take it off carefully, but ended up just tearing it away. With the holder uncovered, you can now see the color and texture of the leather. It does initially feel a bit stiff and plasticky, but reviews tell us that it softens and develops a patina over time. A sample piece of the leather is provided, proving authenticity, as well as providing a piece where you can test leather conditioners or cleaners. One strange thing we found inside was this LDPE recycling tag, which made us wonder if the wallet was actually plastic, but researching, we are pretty sure it refers to other packaging items. The holder is sturdy, but still thin, with magnets to help keep it shut. Let's go ahead and fill it up. First, let's examine the dedicated AirTag slot. Traveling involves chaos, and losing a passport is a nightmare. By putting your Apple AirTag into this dedicated circular cutout, you can track your travel documents via your phone anywhere in the world. The slot is perfectly sized, keeping the tag secure without adding unnecessary bulk. Again, the AirTag is not included with the holder. In addition to the AirTag, that side pocket is also great to keep cash or other small documents. Now, let's put some credit cards and a passport in the holder to see how it looks when filled. There are 3 credit card slots, and it is initially a bit tight to slide them in, but again, it is expected that this leather will naturally stretch out over time. With the multiple pockets, it allows you to travel with all of your necessary items without needing a separate wallet. As an added bonus, the holder features full RFID blocking technology to prevent unauthorized scans of your personal information. It covers the entire wallet, as it is integrated into the material, to protect all documents and card slots. Now, let's put a passport inside. Sliding it into the side pocket, you can see, the holder is still not too bulky, and the magnets work well, keeping it shut when closed. Another way you might want to use it, so you can show the inside of the passport easily, is to slide in just the back cover of the passport. While this works as well, we found the magnets were then quite weak, unable to really keep the holder shut. Finally, behind the credit cards, we find the last slot, which is made to effectively hold your boarding pass. In summary, this genuine leather passport holder is a top-tier travel accessory. The combination of tracking security, RFID protection, and magnetic convenience makes it a smart choice for any traveler. We did get this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.